All right, first thing, 13mm socket. You got to take off 2 bolts off of your original hardware. Let's take a look at those. Up in here, take off this one. Don't drop it, or you're gonna have to take off the molding. That's one. Second one is up here. That's the vertical one. That's the 2 bolts that you're taking out. Now you get your Wildboar. Sure we're pointing the right way. Wildboar handle is going to go right up here. So start off with taking your short one, and that's going to go in the top. So you can put it right there. There is a left and right to handle, by the way. If you're having trouble lining them up, you might want to pay attention to which way the thing lines up. Thread it just a little bit. Don't cross thread it. Make sure it lines up. Well, it's one of those days. What? All right, after you got those bolts out, let's put in the short stud. Once you get it threaded in a little bit, you can use your Allen head. The kit came with an Allen head, but I prefer to have a ratchet. It's going to work a little bit. Don't tighten it. Just snug it up because you're going to have to do the next part. Now take your longer bolt, thread it through the handle, put it where it goes, don't drop it. Turn the handle, line it up. Once it goes in, line it up properly with the threads, put it in a little by hand. Once you got everything hand tight, take your ratchet, start with snugging up the top. Don't hit your windshield. Because if you hit your windshield, you might end up with one of those. A little nick. Once you got it snugged, don't tighten it too much. Finish snugging it up by hand. Don't over tighten it or you'll strip it out. And voila. And there you go. Wildboar handles. Now, those vertically challenged people can get in and out of the Jeep a little easier. Again, there is a driver's side handle, and there's a passenger side handle. So if you're having a little bit of difficulty lining up this bolt, switch your handles. A lot of people were complaining about that, but this is heavy duty. Wildboar. $19.95 Wrangler.com Florida Jeep Rides. Today we're putting on some Wildboar handles for those vertically challenged people who have a difficulty getting in and out of the Jeep. No more difficulty. A sturdy, heavy-duty Wildboar handle.